YouTube, what's up? So today I have got the Anker Series 3 MagSafe charging station. It charges your iPhone with the MagSafe and also your AirPods. Just a cool little stand that I thought that I'd pick up for the office. So what do you say? Let's get into it. Okay, so I've got the Anker Series 3. Let's go ahead and pop this thing open. Oh, let's see here. What do we got? A little piece of tape right along there. That should do it. Oh, let's look at the box. Anker Series 3. Anker, charge faster. 55 million people are happy with it. Fast charging. 18 months hassle-free. Yada, yada, yada.
Yada, yada, yada.
Anyway. Box. I'm busy. It's my wife. Better respond, huh? Okay. So there we go. And airplane mode. Okay, so... okay. Okay, so we got... what do we got here? We have got the plug, USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Oh, I bet you this doesn't come with a brick. Oh, hope I have a brick somewhere. Happy? I don't know. Could use a charging brick. So yeah, instructions and everything on that. This is this. What else do we got? Oh, it's got a little sock. It's light. You know, and I thought, when I looked it up, I think Amazon had it at like 5.3 ounces or 5.8 ounces or something. I'm like, that's not heavy enough. And maybe that was a different one. This one feels heavy enough. You know, because the MagSafe when you pull it off. Anyways, I gotta find a brick. Brick. Hey, wait a minute. It's an Anker brick. It's an Anker brick. Yeah, these little nano bricks are awesome. These little nano bricks are the coolest. But you know what? I don't know if they still make this one, but I'll leave a link in the description for this one if you guys are interested. These are little, what are they? Little 20 watt, 30 watt? I forget what watt. It's a good watt. What? What? It's a good long cord. It's way. It's gotta be 4 foot, 3 foot. I don't know. 16 foot. Plug it in there. And there you go. You got two indicator lights. Did those come on when I plugged it in? No. Good, because they shouldn't indicate nothing until you put a phone on there. Okay, let's go a little backwards, shall we? AirPods Pro. Charge. Oh yeah, okay. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that little indicator light does come on. I have an iPhone, I think. Oh, see? Thought this was like a MagSafe. It was going to do the MagSafe animation and all that. Nope. Wow. So what does this thing charge at? Output is 7.5 for the iPhones and 10 watts for other Qi charging phones, which you know, not that it'll stay on there, but it'll charge. Goes on, comes off. Goes on. Stays on pretty good. I guess it's all about the tilt. You gotta... It's a good magnet. Just wish it was a little heavier. Oh, this adjusts. Oh, this is adjustable. So there you go. You can adjust it. You can put it on sideways. You can adjust it this way. So just a little flick of the wrist, because otherwise you're going to take the whole thing with you. Which that's on there. I'm not holding the puck or nothing. That's okay. I need new ones. I need the AirPod Pro 2s. Timothy, that's a decent hold. Pretty decent. Pretty cool. And if you're interested in the Anker 2-in-1 wireless charging station, I will leave a link in the description. And if you like tech and the accessories that go along with your tech, why don't you check out this video? And a sub to the channel would be great. Peace and love, y'all.